Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard, The Stamps of Life, and I can't decide what kind of day it is today. I'm thinking I'm going to go for a hamburger, but you know what, my friends? I will not be putting ketchup on it because we're going to talk about ketchup right now. I know, I'm getting kind of a little crazy with the jokes about the ketchup thing. I'm sorry. But why do I keep talking about ketchup? Because today is a ketchup day. That means I'm going to show you some items in this video you might have, you might not have, or you missed out on. And it's kind of like a catch-up day because you might have seen them before, but you may or may not have them, and now is your chance to get them if you don't have them. Does that make sense? I think it does. I hope it does. In here it does. Okay, anyway, boom. So a long time ago, we came out with this bracket tag, and let me just tell you, it is so dang adorable. It makes little note cards, is what it does. So when you give somebody a gift in a gift bag, this is what you're going to cut out to make a little gift tag. Hi, Mary, happy birthday from Stephanie, right? And it's very simple. It has some extra dies in it, but the main die in here, the hero of this, is this big die. It's going to die cut the little hole for you. It's going to score it for you. Has this fun little edge. You are going to use this die every single time you give somebody a gift bag. Now, if you're like me and you give gift bags all the time, and I usually have some back here, I reuse gift bags. Are you kidding me? Those things are so darn expensive. I reuse them until the bottom is falling out. So if you use the one that already comes with it, you tear that one off, you add a new one, and boom, you're going to reuse it. Reuse and recycle. I love it. And save money. That's the best part, right? Right there. Now, I also have some stickers, chocolate strawberry stickers. Now, this was kind of one of those things where we ordered it twice. So this came in one of our kits at one time. This is 3 sheets of stickers, and the seeds, if you look close enough, you'll see, are foil. They are foiled on there. Let me just tell you, yeah, these are mine. So I just took one off the website. You better go get them now. Once they're gone for good. And the seeds are little foils. Let me just tell you, I am madly, deeply in love with these. And these are mine, so I'm putting those in my stash right now so nobody can get them. Next, we do ribbon in our kits. And a lot of times we have extras. And the easiest way for us to let you get to the extras is if we bundle them. So this bundle is called, we're getting really fancy, it's called Winter Assorted Ribbons. Who knew? But what's in here, you guys? Let's open it up. So we have a big spool of 3 yards of gray gross grain. Did I say that right? Then we have gray with white dots. Ooh, a white organza. Yay! A green, this is a mint chip seam binding, and a mint chip satin ribbon. Yay, my friends. Get these quick. Once these are gone, they're gone forever. And let me just tell you, I always need to replenish ribbons. I always need to replenish my ribbons because I'm telling you, my kids get into my ribbons all the time. That means Kirsten, Katie, and Liam and Miller. So get them, save them, and then when you have them, you're more likely to share with other people in your family that need ribbon. In fact, Ken just needed some ribbon the other day because he had a key that needed a ribbon on it to make sure he knew which one it was. Told you, they all use my ribbon. So stock up. Here we go. Now this is a class that we released, oh gosh, probably 4 or 5 years ago, called Sweet Treats. And we've reordered the stamps and the dies that go with it because we're going to just sell them separately. You do not get the class with this purchase. That class is long gone, sold out, moved on. But if you missed out on it, you can now get the bakery case, which is really fun, and all these cute little things. So you make life sweeter. You get a cupcake over here, wishing you the sweetest birthday, a cake over here, a pie over here, a cake plate, sugar and sweets, and dies that match. Go to our website to see the dies. Look at how adorable that is. Isn't that so cute? Now, again, you do not get the class with this. This is just a regular stamp and die purchase, or you could put them on our picnic folded as well. So adorable, right? So go check those out. Now, my friends, the month is almost over. Make sure you check out our website. Make sure you've gotten everything that you need on our website because some items are very limited. For example, stencils are always very limited. Ribbons that I just showed you are going to be limited. Things like that. The chocolate stickers, the chocolate strawberry stickers, limited. Stock up now so you have them. On your marks, get set, go to the website, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.